बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है across all states, in BJP ruled states, in Congress ruled states, in communist ruled states. There are a lot more successful case studies which for IT cell of BJP बहुत learning हो सकती है. तो आप ये एक पोर्टल देख लीजिए हमारा NASSCOM का eGov Reach, eGovReach.in. इसी होम पेज में एक है सिटीजन सेंट्रिक ई गवर्नमेंट स्टेट कंसल्टेशन वर्कशॉप्स. इधर हम 50 लोकेशंस में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पार्टनरशिप से ई गवर्नेंस कंसल्टेशन वर्कशॉप्स कर रहे हैं, जहां चीफ मिनिस्टर, चीफ सेक्रेटरी, हेड्स ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट्स कम. सो इफ यू कम टू दिस सिटीजन सेंट्रिक ई गवर्नमेंट वर्कशॉप्स, इधर एक पास्ट इवेंट्स है, तो आप देख सकते हैं इधर पास्ट इवेंट्स में जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, सब स्टेट्स का है. You can see Raipur, Chhattisgarh, even in Bhopal we have done it recently. Jabalpur happened yesterday, so the presentations are not yet uploaded. Here you can see all the presentations of all state governments. Industry members have presented on new technologies. Central government have presented on some projects. So if you see here in state presentations of Bhopal, you will see all the various projects that are there, including the GIS projects and all of that. So I would like you to see this eGovReach.in होम पेज में सिटीजन सेंट्रिक ई गवर्नमेंट कंसल्टेशन वर्कशॉप्स का एक बैनर है. वहाँ ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन 20+ स्टेट्स. All the states presentations are there. I would like you to go through them so that you can learn lot more about some of the initiatives which they may not have been time to cover. You can track that eGovReach portal. Every time there is a new workshop, we post the agenda and the date. Registration is online. So although it is open for the state government officers, even somebody who is involved with e-governance in the state is more than welcome to come. You have to register online. Only thing, you cannot come and do political conversation in that workshop, even if it is a Congress ruled state or a BJP ruled state, but you are most welcome to participate because this is being hosted by Government of India and the local state government. NASSCOM is only supporting the workshop, so you are most welcome to come. Registration is free and registration is online, so the moment you register you can come and enter. Just track the workshop. We just finished Jabalpur. The next workshop is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. That may, I don't know if it's of interest to you, but in other states we keep posting at least 15 days before the date and the venue, and registration gets open. It's open for everybody.